Hey guys, welcome to Tech Vitals. Today we are going to learn about variables in Python. Variable is simply a name that stores some value. For example, if you type name equals James, then this name is the variable and this James is the value that this variable stores. And when we create a variable, we can access this value by simply using this variable name. So if you type print name, then it will print this value that is James. So if we run this code, then we get James. Okay, so now let's create some more variables. Let's say phone equals 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. GPA equals 3.5. Student equals true. Teacher equals false. So here we have 5 variables, each variable with different kinds of values. So the first one, name, stores the string value. The second variable, that is phone, stores the integer value. This GPA stores the float value. So when we have the numbers that includes decimal points, we call that float. Then this student has the value of true and teacher has the value of false. So this true and false indicates to the Boolean value. So the Boolean value can be either true or false. So this string, integer, float and Boolean are different data types, and we can also print those data types. So if we print type and let's say name, now this command will print the data type of this name variable. So if we run this, then it said class str, that means string. So that means the data type of name is string. So we can do this for all the variables. So let's copy it and paste 4 times. And this one for phone, this for GPA, student and teacher. So if we run the code, then as you can see, the data type of name variable is string, the data type of phone is integer, then the data type of GPA is float, and the data type of this student and teacher is Boolean. So the variable helps us to access the values efficiently. And in Python, in addition to these data types, that is string, integer, float and Boolean, we also have some other data types like lists, tuples, sets and dictionaries, and we will learn about them in some other video. So for this video, we learned about variables, how to create them and how to access the variables, which is super easy. So that's gonna do it for this video. I'll see you soon with the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.